Hello guys, today's unit is food. We are going to learn how to discuss ingredients for a recipe, offer and ask for foods, and invite someone to join you at the table. Vamos a aprender sobre ingredientes para una receta, ofrecer y pedir por comidas e invitar a alguien a unirse a la mesa. Food, comidas. Vamos a ver algunos sustantivos contables. Let's get started with the pronunciation.
Read and listen. 1,
An egg,
2,
An onion,
3,
an apple,
4,
an orange,
5,
a lemon,
6,
a banana,
7,
a tomato,
8,
a potato,
9,
a pepper,
10,
beans,
11.
peas,
Now listen again and repeat.
an egg,
an onion,
an apple,
an orange,
a lemon,
a banana,
a tomato,
a potato,
a pepper,
beans,
peas,
Listen to the conversations. Check the foods you hear in each conversation. Conversation 1.
Let's see. I have oranges, lemons, bananas. What do you like? I really like oranges. I guess I'll have an orange.
Conversation 2.
Where are you going?
To the supermarket. We need onions.
Actually, we need potatoes too.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Thanks.
Conversation 3.
What are you making?
nothing special, just some eggs.
That's all?
Well, actually, I'm making some potatoes too.
Conversation 4.
I really want bananas for breakfast tomorrow.
Well, the bananas are right over there,
Where?
next to the apples.
Conversation 5.
Excuse me, where are the onions?
Onions? They're on the right, next to the oranges and lemons.
Oh, and I need some peas too.
Peas are between the potatoes and the onions.
Thanks.
Okay, in this exercise, what you have to do is, van a cotejar las comidas que se mencionan en las diferentes conversations. Which foods do you like? Do you like bananas? Do you like apples? Do you like peppers? I don't like peppers. I don't like beans. I don't like onions. I like eggs. I like tomatoes. I like potatoes. So here we're going to use how many and are there any. Vamos a utilizar how many para preguntar por cantidad y cosas que son contables. For example, how many onions are there? ¿Cuántas cebollas hay? How many apples are there in the refrigerator? Are there any lemons? Any significa algunos o algunas cuando hacemos una pregunta. Now let's continue with the next part. Vamos a ver algunos vocabularios sobre lugares donde ponemos o podemos poner comidas. Places to keep food in a kitchen. Places to keep food in a kitchen.
Read and listen. 1,
In the fridge. In the refrigerator.
2,
On the shelf.
3.
On the counter.
Now listen again and repeat.
In the fridge. In the refrigerator.
On the shelf.
On the counter.
Ok, vamos a suponer que estoy en sus casas y quiero saber qué cantidad de alimentos tienen. Pregunto con how many and are there. For example, how many oranges are there in the fridge? How many potatoes are there on the shelf? How many bananas are there on the counter? Discuss ingredients for recipe.
Read and listen.
How about some green bean salad?
Green bean salad? That sounds delicious. I love green beans.
Are there any beans in the fridge?
Yes, there are.
And do we have any onions?
I'm not sure. I'll check.
Listen again and repeat. Then practice the conversation model with a partner.
How about some green bean salad?
Green bean salad? That sounds delicious. I love green beans.
Are there any beans in the fridge?
Yes, there are.
And do we have any onions?
I'm not sure. I'll check.
Ok, pueden utilizar these recipes over here para personalizar your conversation. You can also use the recycle language over here. Okay, now let's pass to lesson 2. Offer and ask for foods. Offer and ask for food. Al principio vimos comidas contables, count nouns. Ahora vamos a ver non-count nouns. Comidas no contables, que no podemos decir 1, 2, 3, como anteriormente decíamos an apple, a banana, an orange, and so on.
Read and listen. Drinks. 1,
Water.
2,
Coffee.
3,
Tea.
4,
Juice.
5,
Milk.
6.
Soda.
Foods. 7,
Bread.
8,
Pasta.
9,
Rice.
10,
Cheese.
11,
Meat.
12,
Chicken.
13,
Fish.
14,
Oil.
15,
Butter.
16,
Sugar.
17,
Salt.
18.
Pepper.
Now listen again and repeat.
Water.
Coffee.
Tea.
Juice.
Milk.
Soda.
Bread.
Pasta.
Rice.
Cheese.
Meat.
Chicken.
Fish.
Oil.
Butter.
Sugar.
Salt.
right? Which foods from the vocabulary do you like? Do you like tea? Do you like milk, soda? Do you like pasta, cheese, meat? Which foods do you like? What's your favorite food? Ok, aquí tenemos count nouns and noun count nouns. Sustantivos contables y sustantivos no contables. Los count nouns son sustantivos que podemos decir 1, 2, 3. For example, I want an apple. I want 2 apples. I want 3 apples. And so on. I like bananas. I like 2 bananas. I want 3 bananas, and so on. We have 3 tomatoes on the shelf. Count nouns, sustantivos contables. Non-count nouns son aquellos que no se cuentan. For example, I don't eat sugar. No podemos decir I don't eat a sugar or we don't eat to sugar. No. Rice is good for you. Rice is good for you. Tampoco es contable. Pasta is my favorite food. Tampoco es contable. Okay, now vamos a utilizar how much is there para preguntar por sustantivos no contables. Anteriormente utilizábamos how many are there, how much is there para sustantivos no contables. Y is there any? También para sustantivos no contables. How much bread does she want? How much bread? ¿Qué cantidad de pan? How much milk is there? ¿Qué cantidad de leche hay? Is there any butter? ¿Hay algo de mantequilla? Podemos contar los envases, pero no podemos contar, o más bien no se cuentan las comidas que están en esos envases. For example, podemos contar a box, 2 boxes, una caja, 2 cajas. Podemos decir a loaf, 2 loaves. We can say a butter, 2 butter, and so on, pero no contamos lo que contiene, sino el envase. Let's listen to the pronunciation of this vocabulary.
Read and listen. 1,
A box of pasta.
2,
A loaf of bread.
3,
A bottle of juice.
4,
A can of soda.
5.
A bag of onions.
Now listen again and repeat.
A box of pasta.
A loaf of bread.
A bottle of juice.
A can of soda.
A bag of onions.
All right. Repetimos, se cuentan los envases, pero no la comida que están en los envases. Ya cuando queremos mencionar la comida, podemos utilizar some. For example, I want some juice. I want some soda, and so on. Recordemos how much para comidas o cosas no contables. How many para cosas contables. So in this exercise, you're going to use how much or how many. Claro, acompañado de is there, are there. Oh, sorry, you don't have to use is there, are there only. You have to use how much and how many. That's it. How much or how many.
Read and listen.
Would you like coffee or tea?
I'd like coffee, please. Thanks.
And would you like sugar?
No, thanks.
Please pass the butter.
Here you go.
Listen again and repeat. Then practice the conversation model with a partner.
Would you like coffee or tea?
I'd like coffee, please. Thanks.
And would you like sugar?
No, thanks. Please pass the butter. Here you go.
Okay, this is the last lesson of this unit. Invite someone to join you at the table. Here we have a review of the simple present tense and the present continuous. Remember that utilizamos the simple present tense para hablar de cosas rutinarias o cosas en general. Utilizamos the present continuous para hablar de una acción, una actividad que estamos haciendo en el momento. En este ejercicio vamos a utilizar el correcto uso o the simple present or present continuous. Aquí también van a chequear el horario de Susan para decir qué cosas ella está haciendo o va a hacer. Okay, now let's listen to the pronunciation of vowel sounds. Aquí vamos a escuchar sonidos cortos y sonidos largos. Sonido largo de la I, sonido corto, I, and so on.
Read and listen. 1,
E, C, T, street.
2, I, 6, fish, this. 3,
A, late, potato, train.
4, pepper, red, lemon. 5,
Apple, jacket, has.
now listen again and repeat.
C, T, street.
6, fish, this.
Late, potato, train.
Pepper, red, lemon.
Apple, jacket, has.
Read and listen.
Hi, Allison. Nice to see you. You too, Rita. Do you come here often? Yes, I do. Would you like to join me? Sure. What are you drinking? Lemonade. Sounds good.
Listen again and repeat. Then practice the conversation model with a partner.
Hi, Allison. Nice to see you. You too, Rita. Do you come here often? Yes, I do. Would you like to join me? Sure. What are you drinking? Lemonade. Sounds good.